Hello creative buddy. See you again with me on this creative channel of ours. Well, on occasion in this video guys, we will tell or make a tutorial how to fix sandals that have been petted or have broken up like this using simple materials like this. Sure, you guys just found out. Just go ahead guys, like is the tutorial. Let's see together of tutorials. This one creative video my friends. Just let go. Okay guys, just right here we're gonna fix the slipper. The guy used toothpaste like this. So there will be two creative ideas from the container. This used toothpaste can make fixing a sandal like this. And also later that second creative video is even more useful. The guys, let us go to the first creative Okay guys, just go ahead with this. Coincidentally, yes, my sandals are broken. Was finished Friday. Yeah, see, this really broke up without engineering. Yeah, we pry it first for how to fix it. Well, this already severed part. This pentalanu we pry friends. Well, like this, we are angry. Yes, this can no longer be used. Well, this way later we can fix it. Sandals can still be used, like new again, even stronger friends. Just straight up. The next step is to clean these holes are usually the lands that go inside. This belong in friends. Just go straight wheel grok like this. Well, look, the ground really a lot of falling or cursing. The guys, yeah, look. Very crazy, you guys, yeah. Okay, it feels clean, just continue. Okay, so steady. The next step, you guys take toothpaste container that you have at home. Well, here we are. Open it first, see, it's over, you guys. Well, if it has been directly, we will cut. Like this. Okay, well, after we cut, in it, there is still a little smallpox like this. Yeah, we just have to clean up first. Next step, we prepare some wipes. Like this. To clean the remaining part of toothpaste, we just stay Dulacan like this. Then we poke like this. Okay, steady guys. Well, if it is clean, the result will be like this. Okay guys, well, if we are going to cut part, left with a pair of scissors. Like this guys. Well, so that it would be little shaped like this. Steady right, okay guys. If you have taken the sandals you had broke off earlier, we just execute. The first step we put in, the end that has toogle we put in the hole like this. Well, so the function of the used toothpaste container we function use to replace a taller earlier friends. So this is stronger more and the material is also from plastic even then more we just durable. Put in just like this. Well, steady right. Okay, after like this, here we live glue. To make it stronger, we'll add pieces of tissue like this. We slip on the side. Like this, yeah guys, yeah. Well, so later the results can be tighter, stronger, anti-fast, brattle and uder friends. Okay, let's just give you glue, guys. Here you can use a glue drip. Like this, or can use glue the other's friends. Well, for the way it drips. It's so easy. We just drip it in the hole like this. Okay, steady enough like that just. We just have to wait around 3 minutes so the glue can dry maximum. Okay guys, about 3 minutes it's dry, yeah. Look at this really very strong one. We pull it like this guys. This really don't want to break up or loose friends. Yeah, steady, now we stay. Lay it back like this. Well, we just put it in. Just friends. Okay, steady. It went in like this. Well, if you have sandal flops we're ready to reuse guys, yeah. It's really steady. This is really very strong. Even if you pull like this, it won't break. Guaranteed me. This is really very durable because guys, it uses plastic material and also very hurtful. For the end of the used toothpaste container friends, ready to reuse guys. So if you guys use that nail, pretty dangerous, guys. You can stab your feet. You should be careful if you use this method. Guaranteed to be more steady. Results are also stronger and definitely last longer, guys. Steady rate. Go straight to the second creative eye. From used medicine container, let's go. Okay, creative dude. Continue to the second creative idea, friends. Well, here we prepare the used toothpaste container earlier. This second container is a bit small, although yes, whatever. Small can, big can. Dowel she can too. We just execute. The first step that we do, we open the lid first. Like this. Just cut it like this, guys. Okay, steady like that. Let's clean it up, guys. Yes, from parts. The rest of the odal is still there. Like this, we clean it using a tissue. Okay, guys, it's clean. We should cut off the most useless parts. Like this. Well, if it's the result, it's going to be like this, guys. Great, guys. Just straight up. This tool is ready for us to apply. Okay, guys, after that, we just apply. In my house, there was a pot lid. The handle is missing. Or that part of the gundle disappears, my friends. Well, with the used toothpaste container, we can use to replace them. Like this. See, we just put it up as usual. Then we just close it like this, look. Wow, lid the pan we already have. Pentel pan again. This is really very steady one, very guys. Practical, economical, and this is what just it does. Like a typical pot dick. See, is really very strong, very steady. So if you guys open the lid on the pan, you don't. Will overheat again. Just hold it like this. See, from the back is also very okay. Steady, right? And that's what follows. Creative I've used toothpaste container. I hope it can be useful, if my guys friends. Like, don't forget to press the subscribe button below. May be useful. So thank you. I wait in the Creative video in the next content. The guys.